Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to access your Google Photos. So firstly, you need to go to the App Store or Play Store and install the application. After that you need to open it. Then you need to select your account, get started, allow. Right here click continue and you can allow full access to your library or limited access, it's up to you. I'm going to add full access. And now we have it. But if you are already signing into your account, you can allow this access. First I will show you on the iPhone and then on Android. So on the iPhone you need to go to the settings. Then you need to scroll down and go to the apps. Right here you need to scroll down and find Google Photos and click at the Google Photos, or use a search and you can write Photos here and click at the Google Photos. So right here at the first line we have access, click on it, and if it's set to none or limited access you can change it to full access or limited, it's up to you. And now let's move to Android. On Android you need to open settings, then you need to find apps management, and right here you scroll down and you need to find Google Photos and tap at the Google Photos, or like on right here, by the way, we have it. It can call Photos, not Google Photos. But you can also use a search and you can write Photos here. Enter into the Photos and then go to the permission and Photos and Videos. And also we have full access or limited access. It's up to you. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.